Hi, I am super excited today to unpacking the KYAN multimedia device we received from the community-led landscape management project under the Meghalaya Basin Development Authority Ribhoi district. We are fortunate enough to be one of the 61 schools in Ribhoi district to receive the smart class device. I am assisted by one of my co-teacher today to unpack the box that contain the smart device. Let's see what is there inside this packet. Yeah, we are unfolding this. We are opening this packet. Oh, so excited. Yes, we have the manual and this is the software. Okay, let me guide you. This is a power cord. We have, this is the stylus. This is the keyboard. This is the mouse. This is one of the remote control. We have some batteries there to be used in the keyboard and the mouse since they are wireless. So easy to use. Now we are opening. This is the main device. Okay, we are opening. Wow. This is really good. Let's see. Wow, this is really good. Very excited. KYAN, KYAN. K stands for knowledge, YAN stands for vehicles. That's mean the vehicles for knowledge. We have a projector here. The upper part is the projector. Okay, this is the UPS because we have to use this since this multimedia needs consistency of electricity. This is the device, the projector. Okay, I'm connecting the UPS to the projector. But when I say projector, it does not mean it is only a projector. It is a multi-device. It has multi-facet function. It has a projector. It is also like a computer. It functions like a computer. It has a drive there. Its memory is 1 TB. Okay, I'm connecting the wireless keyboard. Okay. Here is the wireless mouse. I'm inserting the batteries for the wireless mouse as you are seeing. Okay. So my device is almost ready. I'm switching on the projector. I'm inserting the receiver which will connect the keyboard and the mouse. Okay, I'm switching on. Yes, now the screen is on. It's loading. You can see there KYAN. Its motto is teach, learn and collaborate. The software is very nice and also it's very effective in teaching. Now I'm calibrating. Okay, now you can see the screen is calibrating now. You will have to wait for a while. If you do not calibrate, you will not be able to use this stylus pen. I'll put for charging for some time because it has not been used. Okay, now it's already calibrated. Now you can see the screen, and I'll be using the stylus pen. Hopefully it has charged. It requires very less time. Oh, now the smart board has opened. Okay, now, and we are just testing this in our staff room. So I'm using the wall. So the wall is not so smooth, but at least just to test the device before we introduce into our classroom. It's very efficient, very effective, and very interactive also. I would like to thank the entire teams of the community-led landscape management project under the Meghalaya Basin Development Authority Riphoi District for presenting us this wonderful device, so that we will be able to teach our students effectively. There are also many features in this device. I will not be able to share right now because I just unpacking it today, but I will share with you maybe later on. But I would like to thank the entire team of Meghalaya Basin Development Authority for this wonderful gift. Thank you very much.